Today we will be teaching you, the viewers, how to calculate the volume of a regular shaped object. In this case, it will be an eraser, as shown in the video. We will be using two instruments today. First off, we will be using the vernier caliper, and next we will be using the micrometer screw gauge. Now, before we get to measuring anything, we will have to measure the zero error of the instrument so that we will get the actual reading. There is no zero error on the vernier caliper. For the micrometer screw gauge, there is a zero error of negative 0.01 millimeters. Now, in order to measure the volume of the eraser, we will have to measure the length, the breadth, and the height of it, and then multiply all of them together to get the volume. First of all, we will be using the vernier calipers to calculate the volume, to calculate the length. Repeat this step 3 times to ensure accuracy. After you have measured it, record all of them on a piece of paper. Record it to the accuracy of the instrument, record it to the precision of the instrument, which is 0.1 millimeters. Now for the micrometer screw gauge. We'll be calculating both the breadth and the height of the eraser. Oh, so it is this long. Okay. Now, subtract the zero error from it. Do not forget to measure it 3 times and get the average length, breadth, and height in order to get a more precise reading. Oh, so this is how long the height is. Okay. After you have recorded all of it down, multiply all of it together. The result would be 6.49725 centimeters cubed. Now, since we are calculating the density of it, we have to find out the mass of this. To find out the mass, we will be using an instrument called the electronic balance, as shown here.
Photobomb.
Now, we will first re-zero the instrument to get a more accurate reading and to wipe off the previous readings. Okay, the mass of the eraser is 9.5 grams. In order to calculate the density, we will have to calculate. In order to calculate the density, we will have to use the following formula: volume over mass. I mean mass over volume. It's mass over volume. Now, we will have to use a calculator or a phone which has the calculator function in order to calculate this. We are such retards. The density of this object is about 1 to 3 significant figures, 1.4.
No.
Kindly avoid these kinds of human error in order to not waste time. To 3 significant figures, the density of this object is 1.48 grams per cm cube. Today, you have learned how to calculate the density of a regular shaped object. Thank you.